Hello guys, welcome to my channel and thank you for clicking on my video. So Charlie, please don't be offended that it's been long I made, a video on this channel. What happened was that I had to, travel from um, Ghana to Nigeria. So because if you see now, my background has changed and, I'm in Nigeria. So I've been in Nigeria for like, some couple of weeks now and I had to do some woo some traveling, some, you know, greetings and the rest. So that's why I've not been able to drop a video. So anyway, this is another banger. So I was just on YouTube and I was checking some one or two things and I saw this Gerard's video. You see the way he's relaxing and smiling and let's see what's to the whole thing. So he said this secret website will pay you $138.40 every day within 24 hours. Make money online 2024. So total end today is $138.40. So let's see what's to the whole thing. Let's see the legitimacy of this thing. That's what we are all about in this video. That's what we do in this on this channel. We check out the legitimacy of all these make money online, things to know which one is actually legit and which one is not legit. So let's see if this is legit.
So if you look at my laptop screen right now, you're going to be seeing the fact that I've actually made $138.40 US right now, right? And what I did was I actually made an investment of $100, right? So this $100 actually gave me $138.40 US. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I made this money. And at the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to withdraw them. As a matter of fact, you're going to be watching me withdraw this video as we proceed in today's video. So it's important for you guys to stay with me from beginning to end of this video as I'm going to be leaving those turn on turn. For those of you who have monies laying around that can actually afford to lose, and you're looking for a way to actually invest this money online,
for those of you actually having money you can afford to lose. So take note of that. You have money you can afford to lose, not for people that you don't have money to lose.
have good news for you. So I found this website that's going to be giving you between 4% to 17% every single day return on investment. Now this is actually amazing. After I saw this website, one of the first things that I did was actually go and research about the legitimacy of this particular website, and this is what I found. I went to gov.uk, which is actually the United Kingdom's government website, and I found that this website is actually registered, right? This is the company number right here, and if you come down right here, you see the registered office right here in England. You see the company status, it says active, right? And you also see the company type, private liability company, and the nature of business of this company is funds management activities. This actually goes to prove the fact.
Wait, guys, I saw something. Yeah, it says due by 21st of November 2025. So why is the company going to due by 21st of November 2025 if it's a company, if it's a funds something company, fund management activity company? I mean, okay, the company deals with fund management. So why is it going to expire in a year time?
And the nature of business of this company is funds management activities. This actually goes to prove the fact that this is a legitimate company because it's registered in the United Kingdom. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to set up an account on this particular website, how to invest your money, and of course, how to withdraw your investment every single day on this particular platform. Now, before I actually jump right, there are two things that I want to bring to your attention. Number one is the fact that I'm not a financial advisor, so make sure you do your own due diligence before you actually invest in anything online. There's every possibility that you're going to be losing all your income. So it's
Disclaimer. So guys, disclaimer.
important that you actually trade carefully and only use monies that you can afford to lose for investments like this. That's one. So the question you might have right now is, what is the name of this particular website? So what you need to do is to click on the first link in the video description. Once you click on it, it is going to bring you to the interface you're looking at right now on my laptop screen. Once you're here, you're going to see the fact that once you register, you're going to be getting $5 bonus as soon as you register right now. So as a matter of fact, if I register right now, I'm going to be getting $5 right now. Let's do that together, guys. So what I'm going to do is to put in my username right here, put in my email address here, select my country from this list, put in my mobile phone number right here, select your password, this password again. Now this number showing up right here, put it right here in this spot, click on I agree and click create account. And that's all you need to do. An account is going to be made for you instantly. So if you look at this place right now, I'm going to be seeing the fact that I have $5 deposit in my account right now, right? So it says wallet deposit wallet, $5. So everything is showing 0.00 right now. So deposit 0, withdrawal 0, total investment 0, right? So we're going to make a deposit right now and begin to invest. So before we actually make a deposit, let's look at the investment plans. So I'm going to come here and hit buy investment plans. So we can look at the investment plan that's actually available. So we'll decide the one that we actually want to go with. So if you invest between $10 and $199, you're going to be getting 4.8% every single day, right? For 8 days. So the total is 38.4% ROI. That's what you're going to be getting. So what this means literally right now is the fact that if you actually invest $100 right here, right now, what's going to happen is that every day you're going to be getting $4.08 every single day, which translates to $38.4 in the next 8 days, basically, right? That's what you're going to be getting. The higher you invest, the more money you make actually. You invest between $200 and $399, you're going to be getting 5.20% every single day. You can actually go ahead and do the mathematics and let us know what it is in the comment section, right? So this is the next plan, 5.8% for between $400 and $999 every single day. Now, if you actually invest $1,000, you're going to be getting about $62 every single day, right, for the next 8 days. So 62 multiplied by 8 is exactly how much you're going to be making in 8 days, right? So do the mathematics and let me know what it is in the comment section, guys. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be buying this plan, right? So I'm going to hit invest now. And what I'm going to do is how do I want to pay? You can pay with deposit wallet. You can pay with BNB. You can pay with, whatever you want to pay with, right? So I want to pay with deposit wallet. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to come here, hit deposit, actually deposit into my wallet. So I'm going to be using that deposit to actually make payment, right? So I want to invest $100 right now. So the money has been transferred. Processing 95 USDT has been transferred. So what I'm going to do right now is to wait for this transaction to be completed. I'm going to come here and say pay now. So this says completed right now. So what I'm going to do right now is to come here and say pay now. I click on pay now. I'm going to put paid here. Paid. I'm going to say pay now. So it says this is loading right now. So once this has updated, you're going to be seeing that our money will change from $5 into $100, which you can actually invest right now. Okay, so this is done, right? And look at my balance now. It says $100 right now. So right now we can actually invest $100 right now. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to come back to where it says buy investment plans, right? I'm going to click on it and it's going to bring me to this interface right now. So my $100 is within this rate. So I'm going to do right now is to come here and say invest now. Okay. So it says investment plan successfully, right? So I have invested $100 just right now and you saw me do it. So tomorrow I'm going to be getting 4.8%, right? The next tomorrow I'm going to be getting the same thing for the next 8 days. But this is not the only way to actually to make money on this particular platform, right? I can come here and look at my investment, actually see my investment. I'm going to be showing you how to actually make more money on this particular platform. So this is my investment. So you see that I've actually invested $100 right now. Total profit is 0. Tomorrow, I'm going to be getting 4.8% of this, right? I'm going to be withdrawing it. I can come here and hit withdraw now and actually withdraw it. Once I actually get my profit, I will do my profit instantly. You're going to be watching me do that, right? So right now, let me show you guys how to actually make more money on this particular platform without actually buying an investment plan. So I'm going to come down right here. I see where it says referrals. I'm going to click on this, right? And once you click on this, what's going to happen is that it's going to give you your own referral link. So what you need to do is to click on copy right now and actually copy this. So once you copy this link, send it to your friends and family and actually make a deposit. You're going to be getting a commission, from that deposit that they actually make, right? And of course, I need to mention this again. Only go in with monies that you can afford to lose because this kind of investment is actually risky and is volatile. Do your own due diligence and do not mistake me for a financial advisor. So it's important that I actually mention this. So you see the fact that I actually have $138.40 US right here, right now, right? And I want to withdraw this money into my wallet right now. So let's do that together. So what I'm going to do is to come here and hit withdraw, right? And once I hit withdraw, it's going to bring me to this interface. Now, how do I want to withdraw this money, right? That's what gateway actually means. So I can use USDT, TRC20, USDT BP20, ERC20, or PE.
So you can't even withdraw to your bank account. That's another red flag. You can't withdraw directly to your bank account. But I think if you want to put money in it, maybe you can put from your bank account or something. So, and the reason why it's like that is because you see, if they do bank transfer, they can easily be traced. Do you get it? But all these cryptocurrencies can never be traced. So that's another point. That's a point. And I also like the fact that he talked about referral. I'm 100% sure that Gerald will never do, this. I know he won't do this. He will only focus on the referral. because referral is free money. So if he gets his referral money, fine. If he doesn't get it, fine. You should be paying for this video he did.
USD. So I'm going to be using USDT TRC20, and I'm going to be withdrawing 138.40. I'm going to be withdrawing everything, right? So what I'm going to do right now is to come here and hit submit. So there's a charge of 2 USD, right? And so I'm going to be getting 136.40 inside my wallet. So I'm going to come here and hit submit right now. And once I hit submit, it is asking me for the wallet address where I want to withdraw this money to, right? So I'm going to copy that wallet address and put it right here, right now. And that's what I need to do. So right here, it says withdraw request sent successfully. So this is loading right now. And once this is done, right, this money is going to be deposited straight into my wallet address. And of course, I can actually change this money to my local currency and use it for whatever I want it to do. I want to use it for, right? That's how easy it is to actually make money on this particular platform, guys.
Okay, so guys, the truth, he has withdrawn his money. You know, he put in $90 and he used it to get $136 from, you know, from this ASAP. So what I will advise to you guys to do is this. This is not, I don't think this complaint is 100% legit. You know, I'm not sure. Do you get what I'm saying? Because there are a lot of red flags. And the number one red flag is this. If you come to the website, this is the website here. Now, if you click on the website, you see, this is a software, a Chrome extension that I have, Malwarebytes, right? So this Malwarebytes is blocking me from entering this site because of what? Because of pinching, due to pinching, right? So, and it's letting me know that they recommend me not to continue, right, into this site because they can pinch my, you know, pinch me or woo 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 like that. Do you get what I'm saying? So that's number one red flag, right? If you want to enter Facebook, you want to enter any crypto trading platform, you will never get this. If you want to get into stocks, you know, stock websites, you will never get this. Do you get it? So this is number one red flag. That's number one. Number two thing is that you say if you want to do this, do it fast. And this is the reason. Now I have a website here. The link to this website will be in the description below, right? This website is called whois.com. Now, this website will let you know who is the owner of a website. Are you getting what I'm saying now? So if you want to know when Facebook was started, when Facebook was registered, when Facebook is going to expire, woo like that, do you get it? Click on this, come to this website and put in Facebook URL or something. It will show you all the information about the website, right? So I put in this website into this website, as in Gerard's website, into this website, which is cockbit.app, and it made me to know that the domain is cockbit.app and woo like that. You see, it was registered on the 28th of January, right, this year, 28th of January this year, and it's going to expire 28th of January next year, 2025. And that was why I, you know, called your attention to it at this site.
The nature of business of this.
So this is what I'm talking about. So I was like, why is it that this company is going to, their registration is going to due, you know, 21st of November 2025? If this is a financial company, you see, it says there that fund management activities. So if this is a financial, you know, company, why is their, you know, registration going to due a year later? And look at it here now, their website is going to due a year later. So my advice for you is, and if you look at it now, you see this company is registered in, you know, IS, and I came here to search, you know, which country code is IS, and they made me to know that that's Iceland, right? So if this was Bangladesh or maybe India or maybe Pakistan, Nigeria, like that, or then I will let you know that. But you know, being registered in, you know, Iceland does not really gives it. Can you imagine? The company was registered, like the website was bought from Iceland. Do you get it? And the company was registered in the UK. Like, how does that correlate? Do you get it? So if you want to do this, you know, you can just quickly put in, you know, your money into it. If you have $90 to spare, put it in, cash out, get the extra $5. I mean $95, put $95 in it, get the extra $5, which is the bonus. You get it, $100. Use it to invest, trade. I mean, get your investment for a day and cash it out immediately, like Gerard did. Do you get what I'm saying? So the next day you can put in another $100. You know, get your 30 again. You know, remove your money like that. Just be doing it small like that. But I'm not advising you to do this because I already showed you that, in a year time, the website is going to be down. That's if they did not pay for, for the registration and domain, host name and the rest of all those things like that. So in a year time, it's going to be down. And, this is my I can't access the sites because of pinching. I can go to the site, but I don't want to go to the site because I don't want to risk my information being out or anybody, tracking my system, like that. So that's just it. $100 is a huge amount of money in Naira. That's like 100K, even if not maybe 125K. Do you get it? And in Ghana cities, that's like, close to like maybe 100, and that's like a good 150. I mean, 1,150 Ghana cedis, 1,150 Ghana cedis. That's a good, a good amount of money. So, given this, technique of making money, VJ squad, this is a total two out of 10, VJ score, because this is not a legitimate way of making money. It is not sustainable. You say over here, I'll show you this. I show you, ways to make money online, sustainable ways to make money online. So this is not sustainable. In a year time, this domain and this site may not work again. So that's it, guys. Thank you for clicking on the video. Thank you for watching the video. If you've gained any value from, this whole video that I've presented to you, please, I would like you to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up so that a lot of people will be able to see this video. Now, check this shit out. Check this thing out. Now, this video has been viewed by 7,900 people, right? And Gerard uploaded this video like 13 days ago. Now, imagine this. I told you that we focus on, the affiliate side of it, the referral side of it, right? Okay, affiliates, referral side of it. So now check it now. Let's play a little bit of numbers game, right? So 7,900 people have watched it. 10% of 7,900 people is 790 something people, right? So let's say out of that 790 something people, let's say take 10% again, which is 10% of 790, which is 79, right? So which is 1%. So let's say 1% of the people that have viewed this actually partake in it. That would be 79 sign up for Gerard. So Gerard will definitely make money from them. And immediately he makes the money. What will he do? Sharply, he will, cash out his money, transfer his money into his USDT. Do you get what I'm saying? So me and you now, look at me now, look at this, my channel now. I only have 74 subscribers, right? I don't have the audience. I don't have enough audience to be able to do this, right? As the making of this video. And you watching me, you may probably not have the audience, to rely on the referral side of this to make money. So my honest advice is just to abstain from it. Like, bro, this is a total thumbs down. Like, abstain from it. Anything that will promise you to, double your money without telling you what they will do, bro, that is not really a legitimate thing to do. So thank you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.